It's easy to add in a rhythm sticks activity using the song Love Somebody. Here's what I would do. I would have them play on the word love. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Then you could have them pass their rhythm sticks. 8 beats, use your drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we go. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. And you could go around the circle and do that. That would be really fun. Rhythm sticks, you teach them just to clamp them together. Be gentle. They're not toys. They're instruments, and pass. Another way to use the rhythm sticks for the song Love Somebody would be to have them play a rhythm in between each time. And that would be a call and response. Unless you have a PowerPoint that's set up or something. But I'm talking about an easy game that you could just sit and play without thinking about it or setting anything up. Pass out the rhythm sticks. Everybody sit in a circle. Let's go. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Teacher goes. Students go. 1, 2, here we go. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. And so on. Taking it up to the next level, instead of the teacher calling out a rhythm, you could go around the circle and a student would play a rhythm. If you want, you can get your rhythm cards out, pass them out to everybody when it's their turn. They'll have their rhythm card to play. It'll be very easy for you to either walk around behind and tap them or just make sure everybody stays. And we keep things going. Count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, here we go. Love somebody. It's a fun game you can play with singing the song Love Somebody and using rhythm sticks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.